Hello and welcome to Tim's tip number 2, and today we're going to be talking about the best way to stand when we sing to get the most out of our voice. Just like any instrument, the body needs to be in a good position when we're singing to sing as well as we can. You wouldn't expect to bend a flute over your knee and expect it to make the same sort of sound, yet we expect people to do that when we sing. Very, very often you see people stood very badly. And this is Elliot, who's going to demonstrate how a lot of people stand very badly when they sing. So, slouched posture, he's pushing down on his rib cage. We're not going to be able to get the breathing mechanism to work as it should. The throat is constricted, knees are locked. Nothing's going to work as well as it could do. So we're going to give you 5 easy checkpoints to remember how to stand properly when you sing. First of all, feet. Feet should be parallel, so not pointing outwards. Demonstrate pointing outwards for me, Elliot. That's not what we want at all. We want it to be nice and parallel. And then go up to the knees, next checkpoint. So knees should be slightly soft, not locked. Lock your knees for me. I'll demonstrate later why locking your knees is bad in the next week's edition. Then hips. Hold a lot of tension in our hips sometimes, so just give your hips a little bit of a wiggle, Elliot. Thank you very much. And then shoulders. So we want the shoulders to just be nice and relaxed, arms hanging by our sides. And finally, the head. And in fact, the ears. We want the ears to be in a line with the shoulders. And to do that, we want to raise from the back of the head like that. So we're looking straight ahead and nothing is tense. Do you feel tense?
Yep.
Look at that. Perfect. So just to recap, 5 areas of the body should be in alignment. The ear, the shoulder, the hip, the knee and the ankle. Then we've got a nice straight posture and we can sing as well as we possibly can. That's Tim's tip number 2. See you more next week.